This is an $100 American bill. If I was to give you this bill right now, I just said, here, take it. What would you spend it on? You can comment that down below. I'm asking a serious question here because I think for a lot of people, they instantly would just spend it on clothes. They would buy like a Pokemon pack and waste their money on that trash. I went through school and I knew nothing about money. It's insane. So hopefully I can give you guys some advice. Some very basic but brutally important advice on what you should do with money, how you should think about it. As I give you some tips, so I'm gonna open up some Pokemon cards and show you guys that, yeah, everyone wastes their money on something. So the first tip that I have is to develop a habit or a hobby that allows you to stay busy. This is so important because when I first got my job as a content creator and I started going hard in that, I was able to save my money for a year and a half straight. I was able to not spend any money because I focused all of my time on getting good at something. Like, it sounds crazy, right? Because you probably have all these impulses to buy this random shirt you see. Is that the new Supreme lawnmower? That's really cool. I want to get that. I was always busy with improving on my habit. And therefore, when I made money, it was just kind of like, oh, that's fine. I'm just going to keep getting better at this thing, right? Money was a side product. And if you can get your career, you can get your job, your passion to be the thing that makes you money, it is insane how much you save. And for our first pack, we got a Super Boost Energy. I'm going to put the values on screen here for each and every good card that I pull. That's not a bad start. So for the second tip, you find a hobby or hobbies that teach you about money. School doesn't do it. Like, it blows my mind that we don't learn about money, taxes, fees, all this stuff in college. And so when I started getting into garage selling because of Gary Vee, I learned so much about money. I learned about taxes, you know, how much you're gonna have to pay when you make money, how to actually manage money, how to track your money. And if you don't do this where your brain doesn't like spend a good amount of time learning about money, when you get older or when you're younger and you make your first, like, let's say $100 because you decided to wait at the nearby Chipotle or you know, to scoop the beans when I come in and I'm like, hey, can I get double beans? If you're that guy, you know, you're gonna make 100, 200, 300 bucks at some point, and you're probably gonna spend it on something right away because you're not gonna realize, oh, I might get taxed at some point. Or, oh, I have to pay for college in the future. And you begin to realize there's a lot more expenses in life than you thought. So make sure when you pick hobbies, even watch someone like Graham Stephan, this guy. You see this guy? Go watch him. Alright, bonus tip time, guys. Bonus tip time, bonus tip time. Use a debit card. As I open up another Pokemon pack here. The reason why I say use a debit card, trash, is because you don't want to spend more than you have. If you start collecting debt when you're young, oh my god! The third point is to consider college as an option. So if you're on the younger side or you haven't gone yet and you're considering, please make it an option. Don't make it the only thing. And I know if your parents hear you watching this, you're gonna be like, why are you listening to some 21-year-old? Ooh, spicy card in here, boys. Oh, what is it? Ooh, Palkia GX. Now, my fourth tip is to stop buying trash food. And I'm guilty of this too, and I'm trying to fix it now. We went to Carvel, we all got our own like shakes or ice creams, right? What's the average price in America? About $5, $5 to $6. Unless you're going to like 7-Eleven to get a Slurpee, then it's like $1. But assuming you're getting like a $5, $6 dessert, what else could you buy? Well, let me Google it real quick. Oh, what is that? A Friendly's tub of ice cream for $6? That could feed your entire friend group? And finally, the last and most important tip of the video is a mentality switch. If you can do this, I swear you will make an absurd amount of money in your life. Stop consuming and create. Usually how people have fun is they consume. What does that mean? TikTok, watching TV, watch football, watch Netflix. You could look at it on the other way around and make money off of it. The person you're watching on TikTok is growing something. YouTubers, they can make money off of it. The person who's selling you the ice cream cone is making some sort of money. And I'm not saying you have to go start some $1 million business or go create the next TikTok. It's not necessarily easy to do that, but there is so many ways in this world to become a creator. The internet exists. I'm not saying you can start making 50K a year, 100K a year all of a sudden because you decided, oh, I'm flipping the switch from consumer to creator. That's not gonna happen. But it's a slow over time thing. If you make this your life motto, like right now, instead of going to consume another TikTok, you decide, okay, oh yeah, maybe I'm good at skateboarding, or maybe I have a cool collection. Start making TikToks every single day about it. Over time, it will at least build your habit of becoming a creator. Getting good at stuff is about habit, right? It's like, how long can you do the same thing over and over again? And that's really been the case for me. I would make videos for YouTube, and when I first started, I would make a video every 3 days. That's what I could do. After about a month and a half, I moved to a video a day. 6 months in, 2 videos a day. A year in, I'm at to 4 videos a day. And I've gotten to the point where every single day I got a little bit better. And yeah, let's open up one more pack. More trash. My pulls are terrible. My luck is awful. Oh my god, what? But I just opened 10 packs. In all those packs, the only 2 good cards I got. I mean, there's some holos in here that are worth a decent amount. This Mars guy is probably like $1 or something. That's how you don't gamble. Gambling is terrible. I need to stop this. I need to break this habit. That's the thing about making money. You just have to say, okay, I'm spending this much, I'm making this much. It's my hobby. It's something I like to spend time on, and that's okay, guys. You can spend money on things that you like. You can enjoy life. I'm not telling you to go become the guy who never watches TikTok again. Just do something in between, and you'll be better off. You'll actually be more happy too when you realize, hey, I'm adding value to the world. I can help people. I can do cool stuff. So yeah, best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one.